Hello guys, on today's video we shall be focusing on how to run your conduit piping. So as we all know, without piping there's no conduit wiring, there's no conduit installation in a building or in a factory or whatever you feel like installing it. So I shall be taking you on how to successfully install your pipe and the basic things you need to put in consideration while installing your conduit piping in your building. So this piping, we used 20 mm pipes and 20 mm bending spring, and every tools we use here was about 20. The sizes were 20. So that's me using the gum to fit it inside the looping box. That's one of the lighting point, and then I couple it together. So that white stuff I use in joining those two pipes together, those two lengths of pipes together, is called coupling. This whitish thing, it is in joining two pipes together. So that's me using the gum to ensure it is strong, so that when we are drawing our wires it won't easily pull out. It won't pull out anyway. So I'm bending another one. So that device I use in bending that pipe is called bending spring, 20 mm bending spring. We have various sizes, but since we are dealing with 20 mm pipe, we have to use 20 mm bending spring. So that's it. Most importantly, this conduit piping is what determines the numbers of cables you use in running your conduit wiring. So when I'm doing it, I'm always calculative to ensure my wires, the length of my wires is reduced and not much, because if you run it anyhow, that's how you're gonna do your wiring. And if you do it in such a way that it will be less stressful to you, you enjoy while doing your wiring. But if you don't bend the pipes well, or send the length appropriately, or send it in a position, in a direction where it will be easier for you while doing the wiring, you end up climbing ladder up and down, going up the roof and coming down, because the piping wasn't well done. So I haven't watched this video, make sure, please, I'm pleading with you, like and follow this page, please and please. I'll be very grateful seeing your follow up notification and your likes and share. And make sure you share, because I will be running this stuff, I will be doing it as a